If you love thrifting, upcycling clothes, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing 25 upcycling ideas straight from the creators found on Pinterest, and I handpicked the cutest, smartest, most doable ones for this video. Be sure to vote for your favorite idea, because I need to know which Pinterest upcycling ideas you want me to try next. And be sure to mark a like to indicate that you voted.
Done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video. And if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. A super thanks would be really helpful but definitely not necessary. And a thumbs up would help the channel for free so I can continue making videos. I'll have another creative video you're going to love on the screen soon. Go ahead and watch that video and I'll see you there.